friends, Jordan from Frog Street here. I'm here today to show you our Family Learning Fun Toddler At-Home Kit. Let's get into it. So this kit is a family engagement piece for your classroom. This is for families to take home so they can reinforce the teaching that you are doing in the classroom. The first thing that they'll pull out of their kit is this family letter. It's going to tell them everything that they need to know, and it's going to have a nice little description of all the pieces that are in this kit. So let's take a look. The first piece they're going to want to pull out are these activity instruction cards. So these cards are going to tell families all the activities that they can do with this kit. And the great thing about this is we know that brain research tells us that repetition strengthens the brain wiring. So they want to repeat these activities over and over again. So in these cards, you're going to see the age group. So this is for 18 to 36 months. And these cards are going to be broken up into little pieces. So they'll just look at whatever age that their kiddo is. And these are also color-coded for domain. So you can see that we have language development, fine and gross motor, cognitive development, social emotional, and then some fun learning things. Also, did you know that with this kit, you get an app to use at home that you can get on and let your little listen to all the music that goes along with it as well. Next up, we have our faces. These are our emotions, so the kids can look at these and they can practice their emotions. Sad, happy, scared, all of those great things. Next up is our photo activity cards. Now, their instructions are going to tell them when to pull these, but these are so great because on the back it tells them all the things to do and it incorporates sign language. Speaking of sign language, we have our sign language poster here. We know that these kiddos are learning to communicate and learning to speak, so we want to give them this nice bridge of sign language until they get to that point to really help them with their frustration levels while they're trying to communicate with you. Each kit is going to come with 4 books, as you can see here, and some manipulatives. So first up we have this cube. This is really great for you to put the emotions into the cube and kiddos can play with it or roll it to practice those. Also, you can put pictures of families into the cube and you can practice mom, dad, sister, all of those things. The next thing we have is our eyedroppers. Now these we practice fine motor skills with. Next up, we have a rattle and our scoop, you guessed it, gross motor, some large crayons, also gross motor. Now remember, all of these things are linked to the activities in those strategy cards that families are going to be using. And last, these are our stacking cubes. Oh, but don't forget, we have our beach ball. So friends, don't forget to get your family engagement piece. Now listen, I know sometimes you may not have the budget, but the thing that is so fabulous is I know out there are specific funds and grants used for family engagement. So if you need something that is easy teacher prep to send home with your families that they can use at home to reinforce the teaching you're doing in the classroom, this may be the perfect thing for you. Remember, this kit also comes in English and Spanish.